Bonjour tout le monde, c'est moi, Jennifer, votre professeur de français dans le sud de la France. I'm your French teacher in the south of France. So today I was looking at my Facebook page and I asked the community if anyone had some ideas of new lessons, maybe a bonus lesson for this week. And Leanne told me that she would really like to know how to say I should or even I should have. So that's what this little mini lesson is going to be about. Do you know which verb you need to use to say I should? Well, I should is the verb devoir. So devoir, if you think about it in the present tense, means must. So if you need a little lesson on the verb devoir in the present tense, passé composé, and imparfait, you can follow the link that I've put down at the bottom of the screen here for you. But today we're going to talk about using the verb devoir in the conditional tense. Now this is not going to be a great big lesson on the conditionnel. I will make one of those, but today we're just going to focus on the verb devoir. So what you need to do to form the conditional, and when I say the conditional, that's just, I could, I should, I would, right? So the should part, that's the verb devoir. I must, je dois, I should, je devrais. So je devrais, what you need to start with is a stem. So the conditional stem for the verb devoir is D-E-V-R. And then you need to add the conditional endings. And when I show them to you, you tell me if they look familiar to you, because I think that they will. Here is the conditional tense conjugation of the verb devoir. Je devrais, I should. Tu devrais, you should. Il devrait, he should. Elle devrait, she should. On devrait, we should. Nous devrions, we should. Vous devriez, you should. Il devrait, they should. Or elle devrait, they should. So do those endings look familiar to you? Where have you seen those before? That's right, those are the imperfect endings. So all you have to do is take your conditional stem, in this case it's DEVR, and add the imperfect endings, et voila. So since devoir is a power verb, all you have to do to say, for example, I should speak French. Je devrais, and then you follow it up with an infinitive, je devrais parler français. Voila, that's how you do it. Now, you also asked me how to say I should have. It's still the verb devoir, but you're going to actually use, this is going to scare you, you're going to use the past conditional, le conditionnel passé. No, it's really not so hard. Do you know the passé composé? Because if you know the passé composé, then this is going to be a breeze. If you don't know the passé composé yet, then this might be a little bit advanced, okay? And you need to take baby steps, right? So it all makes sense. But if you do know the passé composé, watch the way I do this. So the verb devoir, it's not a Dr. and Mrs. P. Vandertramp verb, right? So it uses avoir as helping verb in the passé composé. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take that verb avoir and we're going to add the past participle for the verb devoir to it. Do you know what the past participle of devoir is? It's dû with a little circumflex over the U. Dû. All right, so in the passé composé, j'ai dû. It means I had to. But if you want to say I should have, then what you're going to do is you're going to take that helping verb avoir and you're going to put it in the conditional tense. And then you just follow all of the passé composé rules, follow it up with the past participle dû. All right, so here's what it looks like. The conditional stem for the verb avoir is A-U-R. And then do you remember which endings you have to put? For the conditional, it's still the imperfect endings, all right? So, j'aurais dû means I should have. You see how that's put together? Again, you have your subject, plus you have the verb avoir in the conditional, plus the past participle. And that's called the conditionnel passé. J'aurais dû, I should have. Tu aurais dû, you should have. Il aurait dû, he should have. Elle aurait dû, she should have. On aurait dû, we should have. Nous aurions dû, we should have. Vous auriez dû, you should have. Ils auraient dû, they should have. Elles auraient dû, they should have. Voila. So I really, really hope that this helps. Now, remember, all you have to do, since it's a power verb, is stick any infinitive on there to really express what it is that you want to say. You keep it in the infinitive form. I would love to see the examples that you can come up with right here in the comments or over on the Facebook page. Voila, there's your mini lesson for today, and thanks for the idea, Leanne. Ciao.